Hey, what is up everybody? Brian Ramen Adventures here, and I'm in Shibuya, right in the heart of Tokyo. What could that mean? Well, today we're hitting up a shop that, can you guess what it is? Can you guess? It's probably the most recognized ramen shop in the world. We're here at Ichiran. That's right. You asked for it. You wanted me to check out ramen at Ichiran. All right, let's do this. It's Ichiran time. Let's go. Ordering at Ichiran is just like 99% of ramen shops out there. Put your cash in the machine and choose what you want. As Ichiran is quite popular with tourists, the menu is in Japanese, English, Korean, and Chinese. I'm not sure, but they may have other languages available too. Today I'm going with a regular bowl, a side of their Nikomi Yakibuta, a stewed pork dish, and some matcha pudding for dessert. The shop has a handy electronic panel that shows which seats are empty and which are occupied. All right, so that's it. You know the drill. Fill out your sheet. Yeah, personally, this is the result of many trials and errors here. Light on the dashi for me and heavy on the spice. That's what I found is, for me, the way that I can most enjoy the Ichiran ramen. But hey, whatever you like. You can go all futsu, all regular if you like, but do what you do. A big aspect of Ichiran is the choice menu. You can choose how strong you want the flavor, how thick you want the broth, and how much toppings you want. This is key to getting a bowl you like. The dotted circles indicate their standard style, but I'm all about doing it my way. Light on the flavor and heavy on their original spice. I filmed in the morning, so I went with light for the thickness. After drinking at night, I'd probably go thick. Get your noodles katame, or even cho kata, for a firmer bite. Ichiran has isolated cubicles to eat at, something they call flavor concentration booths. The founder, Yoshitomi-san, found that people enjoyed ramen more if they thought a particular person made it, whether or not this was actually the case. He also noticed that women were uncomfortable at ramen shops and felt like creepy dudes were staring at them. The result is the flavor concentration booth. Just you and your ramen. As for the ramen itself, this is typical Hakata-style tonkotsu ramen, creamy pork soup with thin noodles. Thin chashu, some green onions, and a dollop of their original spice are all the toppings you need. By the way, in true Hakata style, you should order an extra serving of noodles after you finish the first. It's called kaidama, and you can either get it from the ticket machine or buy it at your table. If you're hungry, don't forget the sides. Crushed it. All right, so that was Ichiran. I finally went and made a video. I have been to Ichiran many times in my life, and yeah, I like Ichiran if you get the levels correct. I gotta say that. I think the tare is a little sweet, so you lower that flavor down, kick up the spice, and then you got a pretty good bowl. Go with a lighter soup in the morning, heavier soup at night. Whatever the thickness, up to you. But for me, yeah, if you get those choices right, decent bowl. I want to say thank you to Zen Market for sponsoring this video. You can get these Ichiran make-at-home ramen kits right on their website, link down below. Please check it out, pick it up, try for yourself. And yeah, what do you think of Ichiran? If you do a search on YouTube for the best ramen, like half the videos are for Ichiran. So yeah, a lot of people think it's the best in the world. What do you think about Ichiran? I would like to hear your comments. I get people commenting on all sides of the fence about Ichiran being such a global force in the ramen world. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Thank you again to Zen Market for sponsoring these videos, hooking it up. Grab your own box, make it at home. Anywhere in the world, they'll ship to you. We are out of here.